Everyone, welcome you all in another video of Azure DevOps. In today's video, we will see how can we implement branching strategies in Azure Repos. It is our existing Azure DevOps playlist in which we have defined different CI/CD pipelines for different stacks. And in today's video, we will see how we can apply branching policies and why we should require it. So let's start. When you create the pipeline or repository, you require some branches to be protected, like someone should not do it by mistake, and some policies, review policies, and what should be the necessary criteria of adding the code with that particular branch. Like you might have some feature branch, but you have that one main branch which should have that particular properties and particular set of rules that we will see. So that's about the properties. We will see in detail what are these properties are, but first we see how we can implement that in Azure DevOps. When you go to your repo which you want to apply the branching policies, then select the branch by visiting here in the branch section. Then you will find the branch like name here, Azure Pipelines, and like you can apply it to main or whatever you want to select. Okay, then here is the next page. In your branch you will have these three dots. When you click on three dots, you get the options, and under that different options you have one option of branch policies. When you click on that, you will come to here, and next to settings you have policies. Then you will get this list of policies which is present for you. You can enable, and here things to be noticed like branch policies. If any required policies enabled, this branch cannot be deleted and changes must made via pull request. If any one of this feature you have enabled, then that branch become protected. For example, I'm at the branch of Azure pipeline. If I enable that, then this pipeline can't be deleted, and any change should be raised by PR only. So let's see this check one by one. So first policy is require a minimum number of reviewer. Like you have some application running on your main from the code from the main branch, and someone want to add some feature in that branch. It shouldn't be like that. It raise the PR and then close the PR. Someone should review that PR, and once it review, should approve that PR. And you can select upon the number of reviewers, how much reviewers are required, and when this reviewer are required. There are some parameters like allow requester to approve their own changes. Like if I am the approver and I also want to do some work and contribute, and I added a new feature, so I should also be able to approve my changes. Then you should click on that. Then there are some other difference. Then we have check for the link work items. Work items are part of the Azure board, and you want that whatever PR is raising, it should be documented in the Azure board. So you will have particular work item with respect to the work you are doing, and that you will attach. If someone is not attaching, the PR will not get closed. It will throw you the error. And sometimes you add the comments like you are using the tool like SonarQube, and once the particular run we can say SonarQube analysis is done, then it shares some report, and if it's saying that some quality errors failed, then it will fail the PR. Until you resolve the all, you will not able to close the PR. Then you also have the limit merge types. Here uh, you can add the build policy. Under the build policy, when you click on the build validation is like that. It will not do the deployment part, it will do the validation part. Like you have the pipeline in which you are creating a Java artifact. So when you're creating Java artifact, what will happen, uh, you will create a jar file, and what you want, you will select that particular pipeline here, uh, and you will say whenever someone is adding the new things, like adding the PR from the feature 0 to feature 01 branch, and feature 01 code should get executed via this build pipeline, and if it runs, then you can, then only can PR be merged. Here you can select the pipeline trigger. This automatic policy requirement is required, and you can make that to last it. You can enter more than 12 hour. Like after the 12 hour, it will get expire. Build will expire. You can increase the time here. Then we have the approvers, like who will approve. Here you can add the people, like you. My name is Stack on Target. I will add my name here, or we have group of approvers for UAT. Then I will create first the group, and then I will select here. Then its type should be required, and then all approvers, if their changes are made by them, they have made the changes, they can approve their changes also. So that's all in the branching policies.